Hey, today's video is about how to put a Ciro phone mount on an Indian Roadmaster. And it's pretty simple. You don't need too many tools. What you're gonna need an Allen key, which I believe it's 4 or 5 millimeter for the screws that come with it. And then you're going to need a Torx T30 for the ones that's on the handlebar. And then you're going to need a permanent marker or some kind of marker to mark where the controls are, so that when you tighten everything up, it's in the correct position, so you don't have to try to figure it out again. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this permanent marker, and where the seam is, where the two pieces come together, I'm just going to make a small mark so that I will remember the positioning. And then take the T30, now's the point where this black mark you made comes in handy, because you just line it up and then tighten the bolts. Then you're going to take this little collar here, pop it on, pop that over the ball, and tighten it up. Okay, so that was pretty easy, a pretty straightforward installation. In the Ciro set, they give you two different sizes. They give you the SAE and they give you the standard. But once you're done, in case you ever want to take your phone mount off, make sure that you save the two original screws someplace where you won't lose them. So in case you want to take the phone mount off, you have the chrome screws to put back in. Anyhow, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you got any use out of this video, I would appreciate if you would click the like button to show me that I'm appreciated. So thanks much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ride safe.